everyone, this is Vaishnavi Gupta here. Today I am going to be telling about digestive system and excretory system. Have you ever wondered that what happens to the food inside our body? Long ago, when there were no X-ray or ultrasound machines, people could not what happened to the food they eat. Some thought it got decayed and came out as feces. Others felt that without food one feels weak, so it gives energy. Some were of the opinion that food helped body to grow. People did not even know where the food went from the mouth. Now we know that we need to food to grow, get energy for proper working of the body, doing work and playing, and also to remain healthy and free from diseases. What is the digestion? Breaking down of food into useful is called digestion. We eat because we need nutrition from food. The body can absorb nutrition from food only after food has been digested. Food is digested in the digestive system. A digestive juice is something the body produces to help us to digest food. Let us see how food is digested. It passes through the body. Mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. Food is broken down by the teeth and mixed with saliva. Saliva, which is a digest juice, comes from the salivary glands. Saliva changes starch in food into sugar. This is why bread tastes a little sweet as we eat. Food pipe. Soft chewed up pieces of food travel from mouth through the food pipe into the stomach. The muscles of the food pipe help to push down into the stomach. In the stomach there are other digestive juices that mix with food to digest it. Stomach muscles churn the mixture to help digestion. The food is now a thick soup and goes into small intestine. Fourth, small intestine. When food reaches the small intestine, more digestive juice from the walls of intestine mix with the food. The liver and pancreas send digestive juices to digest it further. Food does not enter the liver or pancreas. Now food is ready to be used by the body. Blood absorbs nutrients from digested food through the walls of the intestine. It takes nutrition to all parts of the body. Fifth, large intestine. Whatever is left of the food goes into the large intestine. Extra water from his waste food is absorbed by blood in the large intestine. This water is taken to the kidneys and later passes out as urine. Solid water passes out of the body through the anus and excreta. Eating well. To grow strongly and healthy, we need to special care of what we eat and also how we eat. We need to do the following things. First, balanced diet. We should eat a balanced diet that contains freshly prepared food. Preserved food are not nutritious and many may sometimes be harmful too. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a very important part of a good diet. Second, chew food well. Food that has been chewed properly get digested better. Nutrients are easily picked up by blood from well digested food. Third, regular timings. We should be regular about meal timing. We should be regular with bowel movements. This helps us to keep the digestive system clean and in good working order. Fourth, relax and enjoy. It is important to sit down and relax while eating. We should concentrate on only our food when eating, feel happy and enjoy it. Excretory system. Excretion means to get rid of waste and non-useful material from the body. If the waste or non-useful materials remains on the body for long, it can harm the body and our body may not function properly. In a human body, there are many organs that help in excretion. Let us learn about them. Large intestine. You have already learned that the waste from the food enters large intestine with a lot of water. The water from the waste food is picked up the blood and waste is given out as feces. Kidneys. There is a pair of kidneys located at the back of the abdomen in our body, kidneys act like as filters. The blood carrying non-useful material from the large intestine and urea from the liver is filtered by the kidneys. The extra water and non-useful materials enter ureters. Once this urinary bladder is full, we get the urge to pass urine. This is how the body gets rid of extra water and non-useful material, especially urea. These are ureters, kidneys and urinary bladder. Liver. The liver is an internal organ. It is fleshly and two lobes. It is placed on the right side of our abdomen. The liver detoxifies chemicals and help in the use of medicine we take. The waste chemicals are taken by the blood to the kidneys, where they are removed from the blood and given out in the urine. These are left lobe, right lobe. Skin. Look at the picture. It is showing the inside of the skin. There are sweat glands richly supplied with blood. The blood releases extra water, salt and other waste into the sweat glands. The sweat glands remove this waste as sweat from the pores of the skin. Cells are tiny units of each organ. They are the building blocks and carry out the function of using food to release energy. This is pores, surface of the skin, sweat gland. Sweat is made here and here. Sweat means pasina. Sweat made from here. Lungs. A pair of lungs in the chest region of our body are a part of breathing system. The air we breathe fills the lungs. The blood picks up this oxygen and carries it to all the parts of the body. The cells in our body use this oxygen to make energy from the food we eat. Each cell releases carbon dioxide, which is a waste. The blood picks up carbon dioxide and brings it to the lungs. From here, carbon dioxide is discharged. Carbon dioxide is discharged out as we breathe out. This is how lungs help us to glide off gaseous waste. These are lungs. This is large intestine, rectum, anus. Healthy habits. In order to keep your body healthy, it is important that you get rid of the waste in your body regularly. Follow these healthy habits. Brush, breathe air, fresh air. Do not stay in a closed air conditioned room for long hours. Eat healthy diet with lots of roughage. Drink a minimum of 5 to 6 glasses of water every day. It helps us to remove waste and non-useful material from the body. Visit toilet every morning for excretion. Bath every day to clean your skin and keep the pores open for extraction of sweat. I drink 6 glasses of water every week. Now you know that in this chapter, food is digested in the digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are the organs of the digestive system. Various digestive juices mix with the food and break down into simple forms. Blood helps in the distribution of food from the small intestine to all parts of the body. Some organs help in disposing of the waste from the body. They make the excretory system of the body. Large intestine, kidney, liver, skin and lungs help the body discharging waste from the bodies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.